Today I'm going to apply a below-knee splint. The product of choice is Benecast Splint on a roll, which is a pre-padded synthetic splint. It can be used as a primary or secondary treatment. This type of splint is extremely strong, durable and also washable. It is suitable for swollen limbs and can be removed for wound care, physiotherapy and personal hygiene. The products required for this application are 1 box of Benecast Splint on a roll 15 cm, 2 Benecast cotton crepe bandages 15 cm, and 2 small pieces of adhesive tape. To apply the splint, position the patient. Now using a Benecast cotton crepe bandage, measure the limb on the posterior aspect from the metatarsal heads to 2 fingers from the popliteal fossa at the back of the knee, ensuring you do not stretch the bandage. Now use this bandage as a template to cut the splint. Position the bandage at the end of the foil pouch and cut the splint. Remove the clip from the end of the foil and put the splint to one side. I will now seal the pouch. This is very important as it will prevent the splint from setting within the pouch. Fold the splint over and then make a crease in the foil. Now take the plastic clip and slide along the crease. Ensure this is secure and airtight. Now measure the splint from the toes to the heel. At this point, cut into the splint and the padding. The wrong side is facing upwards, which has writing on it, leaving approximately 5 cm in the centre. I am now cutting out a section of the padding, therefore exposing the splint. Replicate this on both sides, cutting the padding in line as previously done. Fold the felt back at each end of the splint and trim the splint. The padding should cover the splint by a minimum of 1 cm. This is to ensure there are no sharp edges that could cause tissue damage. You may wet the splint by using a water bottle, a spray, by running it under the tap, or dipping it in the bucket. However, it will need to be wrapped in a towel to absorb the excess moisture if dipped into the bucket. Today I am using a spray. Wet the splint on the side with the writing that will be away from the patient. After spraying the splint, fold over to penetrate the moisture through the splint. This is the template you are aiming for. Ask the assistant to position the limb and maintain this throughout the application. The ankle joint is usually plantar grade, which is 90 degrees. Place the splint on the plantar aspect of the foot, with the splint in line with the metatarsal heads. Now using the Benecast cotton crepe bandage. Start to bandage securing the splint to the plantar aspect of the foot. Continue bandaging up the leg, leaving the heel free. and then work back down the leg. Now place the bandage on the bed. At the joint of the heel, position the felt directly onto the felt, followed by splint on splint, ensuring both materials are taut with no wrinkles or ridges. Hold this secure with the bandage. Repeat this on the other side of the ankle. This structure will provide a strong mechanism to support the ankle joint. Continue to bandage up the limb and secure the end of the bandage with adhesive tape. The splint will take between 3 and 7 minutes to reach the initial set time, depending on how much water has been introduced to the splint. More water will provide a quicker set time, whilst less water will provide a slower set time, and it will reach functional strength in 30 minutes. Now change places with the person that is holding the limb and mould the splint, paying particular attention to the arch of the foot and the ankle. Check the splint to ensure the toes are free. On this occasion, they are slightly enclosed by the padding. However, this will not cause constriction. Also, check the knee can move to at least 90 degrees. Rest the limb on a pillow or soft table. Written and verbal splint instructions should be provided for the patient.
Sign up to the Benecast Academy to download a PDF step-by-step application guideline of this tutorial and be the first to watch when we launch new videos. benecaremedical.com/academy. Connect with us on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube to see all our latest products, videos and competitions. If you require more information on our products and training, please visit our website benecaremedical.com.